Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today in this video, I am going to introduce an Excel based solver for a system of linear equations with integer coefficients and with at most 4 variables which I have prepared. You can download this solver from the link given in the description of this video. Although lots of such equation solvers are available in the internet online, one can very easily use them, but this is a offline solver. You can keep it in your desktop or laptop and use it as per your requirement, and quite useful for beginners. So this equation solver will print print the solution of a system of equations if the solution is unique. If the system has a unique solution, it will print the solution. Otherwise, it will give an indication that the system has no solution or infinitely many solution. So let us, our equations should be of the type a1 x1 a2 x2 a3 x3, or maybe a4 x4. If you consider 4 variables, you can consider up to x3, or you can consider up to x2, or even just x1 also. And number of equations also should be at the most 4, and variables also should be at the most 4. So just arbitrarily I put some number to test. So I put 1, then, then I put -2, then I put again 1, then I put 3, and I put 1, then I put 2, then I put again 2, then I put -3, 1, I put 2, then 1, 3, 1, 4, and here I put some number, say -5. Only this. So I am considering 3 equations in 4 variables. So let's see what is the answer. So this icon we have to click for solving, and this icon reset will make everything blank. It will reset the solver. So let us click this one. So it says that it has infinitely many solutions. Okay. Obviously, there are 3 equations and 4 variables. Of course, you have to calculate other things also. And let us use a online calculator. Now this I have a online calculator just to see whether calculations are correct or not. So let me put these values here. So I put 1, then it is -2, then it is 1, then it is 3, and this one is I put here so that it is visible. Then I put 1 here, then it is 2 here, again 2 here, again -3 here, again 1 here, and then 2 here, and last one is 1, then 3, 3, then 1, then 4, and then -5. Okay, then -5. So this is the thing. Okay, all right, let me bring it here. What it does, yeah, I bring it here. So if it is solved, so let us see solution by Cramer's rule. What it does, for the solution using Cramer's rule, the number of equations should be equal to the number of variables. So Okay, so it is not applicable. So what about the other rules? Say, so many rules are there. So this is for uh, this is a little bit sophisticated stuff, Gaussian elimination method. So it solves it in terms of x4. That means there will be infinite number of solutions. Okay, but okay, in this thing, of course, lots of then inverse matrix method also doesn't work. So as you see, this is infinite many solutions. It says. Now let us see. Let us see. Add something more. So I put 2, then 2, then 1, and then -1, and then 2 here. Let us solve it. So it says that it has a unique solution given by this. So again we go to our this calculator. I have just added one more row. So it is 2, here also 2, then it is 1, then it is -1, and then it is how much? 2. So it is 2. And now we use Cramer's rule, solve it. So it is solved it, and let us see the answer. Okay, it is not visible. Where should I put it? Yeah, here it is visible. So you see 53 by 29, this is also 53 by 29, minus 30 by 29, minus 30 by 29, minus 12 by 29, minus 12 by 29, and this one is minus 24 by 29, here also it is minus 24 by 29. Okay, so if I make it a little bit bigger, you can see these numbers. Where are they? Yeah, they here are they. So see these numbers, and gone where it is. Yeah, so see these numbers, it is so that means my calculator is working nicely. So and it will have no solution. You can try, for example, here 1 1 2 1. Okay, so here if I put 0 here, or I can, if I I can put 0 here. I can leave some spaces blank also. That is also permissible. If some variable is not appearing, either put 0 or leave it blank, even it will work. So let us solve this one. So it says that it has a unique solution given by this again. Okay. So you see, and suppose I put the same numbers here. So 1, 2, 1, 2, and so these two columns are same. So what it does, it says that no solution. Okay, because this will come here in the augmented matrix, it will have rank 4. So it has no solution. So that's all in this video. Hope it will be useful for you. You can download it from the link given in the description of this video. Thanks for watching.